Managers and system administrators can always track progress of how many controls still need attention through the Answer Risk Controls page, which defaults to all controls that are unanswered. Once all the controls have been answered, the data can be assessed in two places: Dashboards and Reports. Under Dashboards, when you click the Risk page, several graphs and tables appear in areas called portlets, giving you a high-level overview of your assessment. The data on this screen can be filtered by any of the fields you see at the right, so you can focus on a particular set of criteria. If you want more details, you can generate a risk assessment report under the Manage area. When you click Reports, click the Add button next to Create New Report based on a system template. In the list of reports that appears, choose Risk Assessment Report. Give the report a name and set any filters you want to apply to isolate specific data in the details. We'll leave the filter settings open. You have options to include or exclude sections of this report, which you can set with these radio buttons. You also have section fields, where applicable, to provide additional text if you want to add it for the executive level or more details. If you want to rename any of the default section headings, you can do that as well. For our example, we're going to accept the default settings. You can set whether this report should be generated once in the future or on a recurring schedule. We'll accept the default setting of None and generate the report now. Finally, with a summary of the report settings, you can either view the report right now or save and archive it for historical purposes. We're not going to archive the report, but before we view it, let's save and close this screen so we can see how to edit this report's settings for future use. Click the View button next to View, Modify, and Generate Existing Report Templates, and scroll down on the list to find your report. Here it is. You can click Modify to make changes to any of the settings we just walked through, or you can click View Report to view a PDF of the report with the current settings.